This video will demonstrate how to take samples using the Data Analysis Tool Pack in Microsoft Excel, and also how to find the mean of either a population or a sample. So first, File, Options, Add-ins, Excel Add-ins, Go. You want to select Analysis Tool Pack. Now to go to Data Analysis, click Data, to the right, Data Analysis. There are many statistical procedures that can be completed using data analysis. We're going to use sampling. Click on Sampling. In this case, you need to first identify the input range and if you have labels or don't have labels. We're going to look at the pulse rate data here of the 300 individuals, and for this purpose we'll consider this the population. So we can simply put our cursor in the input range and we can select the entire column. It does have a label, so we need to select labels. We are going to use random sampling, and we want to select 31 values from the 300. Now you have to determine or indicate the output range. Put your cursor here in the output range field and select a cell and hit OK. Now we have 31 data values. And we can simply do this again. And many times Microsoft Excel recalls the last steps. So click OK. Verify that the input range is the correct column. Verify the number of samples is 31. Output range will need to be changed though. So select a new output range. Alright, there I've done 31 samples. To calculate the mean of a sample, or just the mean of a column of data, begin with an equal sign. Start typing the word average, parentheses, select the values, close parentheses. 71.16129 is the mean of this sample. We can do it again. Equal sign, average, parentheses, select the data. 69.67742 is the mean of this sample. If I wanted to find the mean of pulse rates, I don't need to put it at the bottom. I can put it wherever I want, but let's just put it at the bottom of the column. Equals average, parentheses, select the data. Don't select the qualitative data, the word pulse. Close parentheses, hit enter. 71.76667 is the mean of that. And for our purpose, the mean of the population. So the population pulse rate. You can see the sample means are different than what we're calling, different from each other, and different than what we're calling the population.